Motocross of Nations, it's a really big deal for any rider, I think, to represent their country, no matter where they're from, I would imagine. But I can speak for RJ and Christian when I say that they made it very, very clear that they were all in. Like, just say my name and I'm in. So I give them a lot of credit coming off a long season, and there's no hesitation. And you know, this is one of those races that you grow up watching, paying attention to, and looking at all the great riders from the other countries and going, you know, if I ever got picked for that, it would just, you know, it'd be kind of the cherry on top of your career.
Coming into this MXoN as defending champs with the Chamberlain Trophy, this is a lot of weight on their shoulders, you know. They're gonna be number 1, 2, and 3, all spotlights on Team USA. You know, everybody's looking at USA as some of the toughest competition. It's scary in a way because I know what RJ and Christian put on the line at a normal race throughout the year. Like, what's gonna happen when all eyes are on them as Team USA. These boys are gonna perform to the highest of highs of their level, you know, and it's gonna be really exciting to watch.
To get the call up, especially after obviously my year and having the injury, kind of came out of nowhere, but I did raise my hand, and this is a big deal for me. I don't take it lightly. To be here is special, and it means a lot, you know, to represent my country.
It's a dream really to race for Team USA. It's something you look forward to. Race for your country is so big, and we're here to win, but also it's like I'm just trying to soak everything in. Like, I think we all have the potential to, you know, put the USA at least back on the box, which is, yeah, kind of our goal. Like, I think we can do it.
French fries or French toast? French fries.
French fries for sure, that's a weakness.
Fries, for sure.
French toast for sure. Oh, yes.
I brought my whole family with me on this trip. We arrived on Tuesday, spent a couple days in Paris just touring around, which was awesome. Like, that's kind of once in a lifetime for at least my family, or who knows if we'll ever have the chance to do that again. It's always nice to kind of have a change and get excited about some things again.
I've been overseas a couple times, so it's not new to me, but trying to enjoy it, embrace, you know, the culture, try to see what we could while we were here with the short time. Other than that, other than the sleep, we're enjoying it, enjoying the food, and just, yeah, trying to embrace it.
What's up? Hey, morning. Good to see ya. This thing's sweet, huh? Yeah. I like it. Morning. Hey. Oh. I love it too. I like the drunk version. Hammer version. It doesn't talk at all. Yammer. Yeah. Hey. That's sick. Yeah, son. Hey. All set up. That's hard to know how many years it was from today.
No, you're not supposed to. Richard. Oh, she's. Are you wearing it?
Rich.
Oh my.
Oh.
Nice.
You seem like donkey talk.
Great. No, literally. I'm like, wait. Like, AP. Well.
Oh.
I know it has to
You know
be.
what's funny? If you glued that onto the back of here, you wore this and I wore
Wait, you should. That would be hilarious.
Holy narrow. This is one of the skinnier spots.
every track's narrow for you.
Yeah, I know. I need more room.
Yeah, don't hit the fence.
Pretty much all the tracks.
Outside, getting speed down at the bottom, not up here. What do you mean? You got to carry your speed.
There's guys doing it inside also. Yeah, but I used to see it in
He's number 2, I'm number 1. You got to think the outside.
Man, this place is sweet. Doesn't really do it justice just on the film and the video we watched. Like, man, it's unreal. Just my whole trip so far has been sick. But being here, kind of the excitement gets a little bit higher.
Dude, this is dope. This is obviously I've been watching this race the past couple weeks a lot, and this track, and to be here now, it's surreal. It's something I've always wanted to do. Check it off the list, and next thing is to put in a good result for the team and do my part. So I'm excited, healthy, and yeah, it should be fun.
It's easy to see some of the comments where people want to say, you know, this is a B team or whatever, but to me, these guys, they're the ones who have rose to take this challenge on and go to a race that you have to be on your A game. I look at it as these are the guys that were tough enough, strong enough, and willing, and here we go.
It's a pressure cooker. You know, there's bragging rights. You know, everybody wants to win. Everybody wants to send the best team. There's fans there that, you know, are rooting against you. It's a tough scenario for these boys to go into.
Let's have some fun. Get her in there. Remember, tomorrow's what counts. Rick?
Yep.
Give it to them. I don't care about any of these other countries, you know what I mean? Like, let's freaking, let's show them what we do.
Get him, Rick. Good go, boy. These colors don't run, brother.
You just raced again.
150 days?
Dude.
Hey,
It's been a minute.
Sick. I just made too many mistakes.
That's
Cross
listen.
Right, missed the step up in the back.
The cross is like,
I'm like, what are you doing?
Oh, I didn't know that. Solid. Yeah.
6 is not bad for a gate pick, but I think there's a lot of little things that we can correct, and then I mean, RJ takes the mistakes out, he can win, no problem. And Christian, if he just loosens up, he could be top 3 if everything falls right.
I think everybody was nervous, obviously. So everybody kind of got it out of the way. And I think they know where they sit. Like, okay, I got this. RJ's starting.
So good, so fun. He said he hit the turbo part of it. Did you hear? I did that thing.
Everybody out of there healthy, so on to the next. We'll
definitely
shake the jitters out and then be ready for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Everybody, these heroes are right here in front of us this weekend. They put their hands up when they were called upon to represent the nation proudly, selflessly. Gentlemen, great moments are born from great opportunity. You've all earned the opportunity to represent your country. Thank you. On behalf of the aircraft carrier USS Harry S. Truman, CVN 75, the commanding officer, officers and crew, I'd like to present you with your flags for the 2023 Motocross of Nations.
Motocross of Nations has never been about the money behind it. It's never been about the payout. It's been about the pride in your country, and you know, you're representing every other racer here in America. I want them to just give it everything they got for their country.
So much better than that.
Rick, good job, brother. Good job. That was a hell of a fight, that second moto. Did everything you can. Proud of you, man. These guys race motocross only. You gotta be on it. When it's not on your home soil, it's tough. That's why nobody puts their hand up, you know?
The day was tough. We came in, obviously defending champions, and we had a lot on our plate, a lot of pressure, but we were up for the challenge. And we had a chance at a podium by the last moto, and unfortunately we both kind of threw it away. It was tough though, to come back for my first race since April. I put a lot of pressure on myself to do well, and it's every race I do, but this one especially, you want to do well for your country and your team, so this one stings, but it's something that we could, we'll remember forever.
We definitely wanted to be better, and we should have been better than 8th. But man, just something I'm gonna cherish and actually take in, like such a special weekend. Yeah, you just need luck for this race, and we didn't have it. I got destroyed. I mean, I had a good start first moto and just got completely cleaned out. And, rode pretty tight after that, and then second moto, first turn pile up, but after that, I mean, that's the best I've rode in months, it felt like. Like, I felt really good that second moto, and just trying to do all I could to give us a good result. We stepped up for our country, and results definitely could have been better, but all in all, just an awesome weekend.
MXoN in the books. Win or lose, you come, you put your best foot forward. Sometimes it doesn't work out, sometimes it does. Like I said, we had some great moments. In the end, we didn't get the job done, but I think we learned a lot. It was a great experience, and I'm proud of everybody that really had a hand in this whole thing.
Yeah, for sure. You know, the boys stepped up. You know, a lot of people either backed out or didn't want to do it. You know, we had 3 riders that wanted to be here. So at the end,
They wanted to race.
You can't knock them for that. They showed up in an environment that's not easy to deal with, and you know, tried to make the best of it. But we'll be back.
Oh yeah.
No doubt about it.
Motivation for the next time.
Yeah.